Today, I'm going to be talking about custom columns in PPC. So custom columns have been around for a while. What they actually enable you to do is to pick your own metrics, basically. Aside from just your clicks, your impressions, your costs, your conversions, you can always do things like add them together, divide one by another to make your own metrics. The operations that you used to have with these were quite simple back in the day, but about a year or so ago, they became a bit more advanced and you can do a lot more with them. You can choose different date ranges, different operations, so they're a lot more cool in terms of what you can actually do in the scope of them. You can find them here in an account. So if you go to columns, modify, and then custom columns, and then create your own one here. And you can see here that what you can actually do, as well as adding all your standard ones, so you start off with a metric like clicks, for example, the functions are a lot more interesting now. So you can have if statements, and statements. So it works a bit more like Excel, really, to be honest. It's a lot more fun in terms of what you can do, and you can think of a few exciting things to actually achieve with this. So one that we've put together, which we find quite useful, is this projected spend one. Now, it might look a bit scary, this, but just to kind of run you through it, what it's basically trying to do is project how much spend an account is going to accrue in a month by looking at how much it's already spent. So that's that cost for the month, minus the cost for that individual day because it's not all come in yet. And then looking at extrapolating out the cost of yesterday multiplied by how many days are left. So all of this confusing bit here is just basically saying how many days are left in the month. So what you can do with this is you can create any kind of logic with it. It could be that you want to instead extrapolate the last 3, 4, 5 days, depending on how your business works. But it's quite exciting how that actually applies. And if you do it on MCC level as well, then you can see for all your different accounts and get a really good top level view of exactly how much each one's going to spend in that given month. I hope you found that useful. Thank you.